Yo guys, what's up? This is Samuel from Instinct Learning and I'm back with a new video. Today we are having a look at a really cool trick with a multiband compressor. Today we're talking a little bit about mastering. So one of the usual steps in a mastering is multiband compression. You can do a lot of things with a multiband compressor in general, not only in mastering actually, but even in mixing or just controlling certain aspects of sounds. You can just like narrow it down and just compress one certain aspect. So we're gonna need the lin MB. You need a linear phase multiband compressor. And we go also for the lin EQ low band, just to make a DC offset. Just go here, choose DC offset. The next thing is we're having a look at our multiband compressor. And this is not about general compression now. So one thing that you do is you compress every band and control the frequencies a little bit by doing that in the mastering usually. But this is not what we are doing now. We are going to take the kick, especially the low portion or only the low portion, from 20 to let's say 125 hertz, and we just gonna expose this low portion and put it a little bit out of the mix so that you have this deep pump that you want from a sidetrans kick. So let's do this. The first thing that we are going to do is we're going to choose a moment, then we can solo the lowest band, and now we can have a quick listen to it. Okay, so we just hear the hum. The next thing that we want to do is set a threshold, and after that we set the range. So let's do that. So now the threshold, depending on how much you will set it, if you set it more down, you can see the amplitude of the band here. It goes up till here. So if I pull this one more down, what will happen is that, the difference between this point and this point is the amount approximately that the kick will get pushed out in the low frequencies. So to make it more obvious what this trick does, I will make a quite extreme setting. Yeah, like this. And then we set the range to about -18. And now comes the actual trick. You need to put 100 milliseconds inside there. That's just an approximation. It's like a sidetrans kick, usually it's around that time window. Also the micro timing. The micro timing of a 150 BPM track is 100 milliseconds. 1/16 is 100 milliseconds long exactly. And maybe you want to also shorten the release time a little bit. And now what we want to do is we want to push the band up. This is the last step. You really need good speakers to actually hear this. I suggest you just try it at home. Wow, that's maybe a little bit extreme. But this is how the trick works. What is really important is that you set the attack to about this time window. So what happens is actually the compressor starts working after this attack time. So the bass gets compressed, but the kick portion doesn't get compressed. So the first 100 milliseconds don't get compressed. And this is how you expose a kick in a mastering. It's a really cool trick because a lot of music is lacking in that regard. And this is one part that you really want to model as a mastering engineer. Multiband compressors are amazing, not only for that, but in general. I hope that you enjoyed the video. let me know if it was helpful for you, and let me know in the comment section below about what do you want to know more. Tell me exactly what I should make videos about, and I will try my best to do it. Subscribe to the channel. I will absolutely pump out more tutorial videos in the upcoming months, because now I have time. The summer season is over. And we're also planning some new products for Instinct Learning, so visit us at www.instinct-learning.com. Cheers guys, and see you soon.